Keep in mind to take pictures of all connectors and be sure to label them. Improper installation can destroy the motherboard. Take a lot of pictures and notes on the way. This is how to replace the battery. The control box is here behind a cover. You just unscrew and take the box out. Remove the cover. And you will see the motherboard inside with the battery. This is a Butterfly 6-head embroidery machine, which has the same structure as a 4-head machine. So let me show you how to remove the control box and how to change the battery. So the control box is right here. You can unscrew and take it out. Remove the top cover and you will see the motherboard. And from there just change the battery on the motherboard. And you will be working again. So on this side there is just one power plug here. And on the other side,